What if I told you that you could learn anything in just 20 hours? Sounds like a joke, right? But it's not. Today we're diving into a game-changing method for rapid skill acquisition with Josh Kaufman's book. The First 20 Hours, How to Learn Anything Fast. At some point in your life, you've probably tried to master a language, become proficient at an instrument, or develop a new hobby faster than you thought possible but couldn't finish. Stick with me as we uncover the secrets behind this revolutionary approach. So before we go further in this video and try this new method you might not know about, let's ask, who is Josh Kaufman and why should we trust him or his method? Josh Kaufman is an expert in business, education, and skill acquisition. He challenges the traditional belief that it takes 10,000 hours to become an expert. Not only that, he learned yoga, surfing, programming, ukulele, and much more through this method. In his book, he introduces a systematic approach to achieving basic proficiency in just 20 hours of focused practice. Kaufman's methods are backed by research and personal experience, making his approach both credible and practical. So now I think you're convinced that this man knows what he's talking about. Now let's get ahead in the video. Well, we're not going to talk about all of his methods because that would make the video too long and boring. Instead, we'll cover the core principle, which makes up more than 50% of his learning approach. The core of Kaufman's method is deconstructing the skill into manageable parts, focusing mainly on the most important element of that particular skill and utilizing smart practice techniques. It's all about maximizing your learning efficiency and making every minute count. Now let's take a basic example that most people try to learn, playing the guitar. When you decide to learn the guitar, instead of getting lost in endless tutorials and theory, Kaufman advises starting with basic chords and strumming patterns. As a guitarist myself, I know chords are a major part of learning guitar. And most of the advanced chords are just slight variations of the basic ones. Therefore, we can call the basic chords the core components. By dedicating focused sessions to these core components, you build a solid foundation in just a fraction of the time it traditionally takes. All right, maybe you're not familiar with guitars and instruments, so let's take an even more basic example. Let's apply this to real-life scenarios. Imagine you're passionate about cooking. Kaufman's method suggests focusing your initial hours on mastering knife skills, basic cooking techniques, and understanding flavor combinations. As we've learned before, these basic skills are the core components. By doing so, you can prepare delicious meals confidently and efficiently, impressing friends and family with your cooking skills. Of course, challenges like learning plateaus and time constraints are inevitable. There's no method in this world that can make you learn things instantly or in a second, but Kaufman's method is efficient with minimal hardships. He recommends strategies like setting clear goals, breaking down tasks into smaller steps, and maintaining consistency to overcome these hurdles and keep progressing. So far, the most valuable lesson from this video is prioritizing building a solid foundation rather than relying on quick hacks, tips, and tricks, which often end up being excuses for not truly learning. We've explored Josh Kaufman's groundbreaking approach to rapid skill acquisition through the first 20 hours. By focusing on the core of a skill, using smart strategies, and maintaining persistence and consistency, you can achieve significant proficiency in a new skill faster than you ever imagined. Whether it's for personal growth, career advancement, or simply pursuing your passions, this approach can be applied anywhere without limits. Kaufman's method offers a clear pathway to success and continuous learning. Don't forget to like this video and comment below on which skill you're currently learning or planning to learn after watching this video. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to our channel for more content on personal growth and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.